How to change page URL in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the website URL of any page in your Hostinger website. So this is going to be very simple and easy. We're going simply to head over the H panel of hostinger.com, and as you can see, it is going to be represented with the dashboard. We're going to click on the left side of the screen. We are going to select from here the websites and wait for the appearance of the websites list. Now we are going to select any of the websites that we want to change the page URL of. For example, I'm going to click on edit website. And once you are here, you're going to see the website builder loading up. Once the load up is done, what are we going to do is first is going to be heading over the left side of the screen, which is going to have all of our, as you can see, control buttons. We're going to click on pages and navigation. And here you're going to see all the pages that your website has. Make sure that you are going to select a page which is going to be represented with this icon and not a link which is going to be represented with this chain. So you're going to have here, for example, this page, which is going to be the about page. We're going to change the URL of it. How you can do that? You're going to click on the gear icon, which is going to be representing the settings. And from here, you're going to see that we can make it as a home page, change the URL, rename it, duplicate it, or do whatever. Now we are going to select, obviously, the change URL or page URL. We're going to see here we have the general. And as you can see, we have here the possibility to change the page name in the navigation, which is going to be in here, and also the page URL. So for example, I'm going to name it About Us, for example, here, like this. You can change by your turn in here the about, for example. I don't know why, but it is going to make me a little bit mad. So we are going to put here About Us. Please let me edit. So we are going to have here something else. So we are going to have here only About. So we are going to change it like this. We are going to save, and then do not forget to click on update. So you're going to update the website, so it is going to refresh and also update the page name. So we are going to see it right there. When you click on settings, page URL, you're going to have it just or like that. And if you want to have it here to confirm, you're going to wait for it until you're going to see the page URL. This is the name. So this is the about, it is applied, and here we have it. You can do that basically for all the pages that you have. For example, we're going to head over here. I do not see the home page. This is the home page. I'm going to click on here. This is the link. It is actually a link. It is not going to be a button. That's why I have told you that it is crucial to see if it is going to be a page or a link. So we are going to head over here. This is the home button. We're going to click on it. We cannot basically change it, so this is weird. So basically you can go ahead and change any page that you want from here, as long as it is going to be the home page or not the home page. And here we have it. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.